Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the sequence. Set it to portrait now so you avoid reframing later. Create a new sequence or duplicate an existing preset and change the frame size to 1080 x 1920, vertical 9 to 16. Make sure the frame rate matches your clips, then import your media and place clips on the timeline. Once done, use scale and position in effect controls to fill the vertical frame. This keeps composition centered and prevents unexpected black bars during export. Now refine your shots and prepare to export. Clean any overscan, add motion or keyframes for pan and zoom, and check safe margins so titles aren't cut off. When ready, choose File Export Media. Pick H, 264 or HEVC depending on device compatibility, then manually set the frame size to 1080 x 1920, confirm frame rate, and select VBR 1 or 2 pass with an 816 Mbps target for HD quality. Make sure audio settings match platform requirements before queuing or exporting. Finish by exporting through Media Encoder for batches or directly from Premiere for single files. Either method preserves your portrait frame if export matches sequence settings. After export, immediately preview the file on the target device to check orientation, composition, and audio sync. If you see unexpected black bars or incorrect aspect, stop. Reopen sequence settings and export dialog. Confirm frame size is 1080 x 1920 and pixel aspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.